back to my channel. For all those who are watching my channel for the very first time, I am Jaspreet Arora, a beauty, fashion and lifestyle influencer. Guys, if you resonate with my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And today's video is all about my obsession with these two new products which I have started using religiously and have seen an immense change in my skin. So let's not wait further and straight dive into the video. I had a very hectic day today, and what I'm looking further is to have a very rejuvenating skincare routine and then just take some rest. So let's begin the video by first cleansing our face.
Now let's see why the Snail Mucin Renew Overnight Gel is my absolute favorite. It helps me balance the skin moisture, firm skin, repairs damaged skin and reduces adult acne. As it is enriched with 70% snail mucin, aloe vera juice and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid helps retaining moisture to the skin, creating a plumping effect. While aloe vera juice helps reduce the frequency and appearance of acne, it is a rich source of antioxidants and vitamins that may protect your skin. Snail mucin retains moisture, supports cell regeneration, repairs damaged skin, and supports the skin's resilience. It is totally fragrance-free, feels like a gel on the skin with a pH value of 6. You just have to apply a thin layer of this gel on your skin, massage it well, and leave it overnight. Use it as the last step in your night skincare routine. If you want to welcome beautiful mornings with healthy and glowing skin, then you should make space for renewing gels in your night care routine. Night face gels are rich in antioxidants that remove excess of oil and provide deeper penetration. The skin around the eyes is gentler and thinner and hence needs targeted attention. Welcome this amazing Deep Puff Under Eye Gel packed with powerful antioxidants and skin-soothing ingredient. It helps to deep puff under eye, reduces dark under eye, cools and relaxes eye region as it is enriched with kojic acid, hyaluronic acid and licorice root extract. Kojic acid inhibits the formation of the melanin in the skin, thereby fading dark spots, evening out skin tone and imparting brighter under eye. Hyaluronic acid offers massive hydration with skin restoration abilities to boost moisture content. Licorice root extract is a star ingredient for the under eyes. It offers massive dark spot fading and is soothing with its anti-inflammatory and depigmentation abilities. This gel penetrates deep into the skin layers to offer a brighter and smooth surface in just a few applications. Hence, to experience the greatness of all these powerful enzymes and antioxidants, try out my go-to products from Earth Rhythm and spot the difference yourself.
So guys, in case you have liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button and do press that bell button icon for the notifications of my further videos. See you guys in my next video.